In 1881, Auguste de Meriton used arc welding for lead plates and batteries. From 1885 into the 1890s, Russian scientists developed carbon arc and metal electrode arc welding. Then, in 1903, Oxy Acetylne Welding was invented. This allowed portable, high-temperature welding. Once the war broke out, from 1914 to 1945, massive demand for ships, weapons, and vehicles led to huge investment in welding. Innovations included shielded metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, and improved electrode coatings. Welding shifted from blacksmith shops to mass industrial production.